Solis, what are you about to do?
About to do some Mongolian wrestling.
Yeah! Show me what you can do in that bag. Yes. Woo!
대학교 타운데 어린이 작설단 하나 적셔치 불을 어린이 작설단 하나 적셔치.
So the wrestlers first do the traditional salutes, Salutic style, or the salutes. There they go.
Please prepare for your wrestling. The next two wrestlers, please come in.
That's alright, bro.
Buddy, can you get a hat? Specialist Hex. Yeah, brother. One wrestler from the United States of America, Specialist Bill, showing respect to the national flag of Mongolia. Sergeant First Class. Solis.
Solis! Go, brother! Go, Solis!
Sean Sneed. Sean and Sneed, please. God, I need to prepare for the wrestling.
Ride that bull, Solis! Woo!
Ja, brother. Consultants. Ahmed Hildebrand and
Please! My face! Go low! Go low!
Oh, dang it.
Sergeant First Class.
Hey, that's a good showing, bro. It was close.
Young wrestler for the...
Dang it.
Wrestler from the United States of America. National Guard Captain
Oh, my God.
Coach. Wrestling coach, please come.